Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Trust you guys are keeping safe. Okay guys, this one just the apple now for Lagos or the expressway. All those people maybe say that they travel Fulani X-Men, they attack them, they kidnap the ones maybe say they go fit kidnap for inside. So now those when if he escape the kidnapping scene and they can't they let us to know what the apple now can they make video. So guys, I go leave you now. Mona watch this video, Mona watch the video, then we go come back, can't talk. We can't talk about the video and things when we say it all they happen for Nigeria and Lagos for the past few days. Make I leave you now guys, Mona watch the video.
Baba. See.
Oh man, for this kind of road, no security.
Fulani herdsmen, no. They pursue us. Fulani herdsmen pursue us.
You're not supposed to run. You're not supposed to run. You don't carry anything now. You don't carry anything. You're not supposed to run. How you will do?
Fulani herdsmen pursue us. Everybody don't run, leave their motor. Everybody don't run, leave their motor. They have kidnapped some people. They have kidnapped some people right now. They have kidnapped some people. They are taking them inside the bush.
What time did I think boy one he said? What is the event escape?
Fulani herdsmen. See? Just now. Fulani herdsmen. Yeah, this is Lagos Benin or the expressway. Just now. See them.
Allah Osho! Allah Osho! Allah Osho! 8 bullets! 8 bullets!
Omo, that's what you just die.
Now inside this bush they enter. They no go in lower.
Ciao Fulani yẹn. Wọ́n ti mú man kan lọ. Wọ́n ti mú lọ, wọ́n ti mú wọnú. Mò ń wò wọ́n báyìí. Wọ́n mú wọnú tí. That be that.
Yes. So that be.
Oya pa onda ko. Moto ti mú.
So my people, now don't watch the video. Now don't see how Peking they run leave papa they run leave Peking. Everybody they save their own life, they go. You see these Hausa people and these Fulani people, their matter, it don't tire me, I don't tire most of Nigeria people. You see this man when they talk for this video, so his name now Sunday Igboho. Now Oyo State activist, now the man be. If you dey follow my channel, you go remember some weeks ago when I post video of one man maybe say they come from work, one engineer may they come from work. Fulani people they not let the man see us enter, they kill him, they move the man. So this man now come look, say waiting the apple for Oyo State because I hear say now so they also they terrorized Oyo State because they get space, they give them space to settle for them. So now this man come look because according to the news. He get one time maybe say they kidnapped the Oyo State king Peking. So the king need to pay money to pay ransom to save the Peking. So now this man come look say this thing when it all they happen, so the thing all they too much. Now he can't go to the Hausa people, the Fulani people. He can't go their space as their territory where they give them. Say me go see their leader for there, make their dialogue, make their talk how peace could come back to the state because wetin dey happen so e no good. So now the matter ready, he can't go there. As he go there and the king they talk, before you know, one of the Fulani guy, he don carry gun come out. The man see the gun, and the man collect the gun from the guy hand. Say, no be why he come here be this. As they talk to that one, the other one don't release the bullets. He don't shoot the man. But God will save this man, say, before the man to go that kind of place, he don't arrange himself well. You understand when we say the thing of enter. So now there the man come to say, hey, so now what you now want? Now be this one. In ready come say me in come in peace. Say mona make them talk. So now fight now want. Now the man say no problem. Anyhow una want am, una go get am. Now the man take comot when we say that protest come start when the Yorubas come dey talk say make Fulani people comot for their state, for Oyo state, say they don't want them again. You see this Fulani matter, and like I don't understand. I don't know why our government they won't talk for this Fulani people matter, because now then now you know boo boo and then there be one. Because I remember back those years when we say all these Fulani people, if they escort their cow, they go for road. Now stick and keg of water you go see for their hand. And again, they go hold that guard. That one are for self-protection, because you know saying about day and night, now they say they waka. So in case of anything. But we know here one day say they move person. Then they go from street to street, farm to farm. If cow even enter your farm those days, you go call them say, aboki mala my farm cow. You go say, okay, you go drive, tell you say, sorry madam, you go drive all the cow, you go drive them, come out. Make they not spoil your plants. But now not be like that again. Immediately our boo enter. All of them na AK-47 they can't take the escort cow. Now there I find no say problem go dey. They carry AK-47 put for all of their hand. When we say any farm they enter, they see person, they go poof am, chop wetin they want, they go chop. You no fit talk again if cow dey your farm, they destroy your wetin you suffer plants. Yes, they go move the person. I don't know why our government, because this thing, if to say when this matter yours they start that time, if our boo say the man, you know they sentimental, say he really dey for the people. When this thing yours they start that time, if to say he take action, say, this kind of thing not go happen for here. Anybody may dey involved, may they face the law. I believe say this matter for no serious reach like this. All of them, they for shocking. But he leave them. He leave them, he allowed them to they move anybody when they feel move. They do anyhow, they kidnap everything. Too many bad things when they their hand that they carry out peacefully, successfully, without no government, they attack them, nothing. But if now poor people now maybe say they no see food eat, now they go warehouse, go bus palliative. You go here, say they don't they parade and they go for news and everywhere. They go do arrest all of them. Or if na Yahoo boys now, they go don put rope for their neck, they carry them from one TV station to another. They announce them, say they don't cash. Both the one may not be Yahoo, both the one may be Yahoo. They go destroy their image, say that they go prison. You understand all this kind of thing? Why be say the people may really they destroy the country? They there. Police, they know they talk. Government, they know they talk. Nobody. Because why this thing vex me? You see this man, so they can't declare the man wanted. They want arrest her. Who does that? So you mean say which normal human being go just sit down, maybe say for in your territory, another person go just come they terrorize the people, he no go talk. You don't see that kind of thing. So since una not talk now, the government una do like say una not they see wetin they happen, because una family not they involved. The people now they want stand up for their self, to talk for their self, say see wetin they want. They don't want to they lose their people again. Una declare the man wanted, say una want arrest him. Who does that? So if not be now, maybe say some politicians, you know, some top people, some monarchs don't rise up, say no, they don't go fit arrest this guy because he don't do anything, they fight for the people. Now he make now the matter now say maybe the guy see they work out freely, or if not, now only God know this guy maybe for all they hide now. You see that our country, Nigeria, like if they say I get remote, say I get the power, so just stay fast forward this 10 or maybe say maybe 4 years will come. May this man come out. Because since this man entered that seat, now one bad news to another, from one brutalization to another, from one kidnapping, like I don't see anything good. Then be say this man government don't bring come that our states. I never see people full everywhere. And remember that time maybe say he decide to come out come talk, he wan talk, he say no, the Fulanis not be Nigerian people, whether he say na Niger people, you understand, e just dey there because e no concern am. But if na a cow now wan miss, he go make sure say he find her and find wetin kill am or how e take happen. But now when be say no, the thing is annoying, like is annoying. Nobody may go hear am maybe say e no dey vex, you understand. So you see that our country Nigeria na only God, according to some comment that may go talk say even God sef don tire for the state, for the country, sorry. So my people, the thing e tire me for wetin e be say e dey go on for that Nigeria now with this Fulani, this level now when this Fulani people just start this new year now with their killings and kidnapping, with their spoofing and kidnapping. I pray may God protect us, so may God protect everybody. Your person go dey travel, e mind don't go reach ground. You go dey house, your mind don't go reach ground. You go work, your mind don't go reach ground. Only for Nigeria. See that Benin already, that Lagos already express road. Today one story, tomorrow anytime person dey travel through that road, if you never reach where you dey go, if you never pass that already road, your mind no dey reach ground. If you be say you dey travel, you don't ever travel through that road, you go understand wetin I dey talk. Because if armed robber no block them, herdsmen go dey there, you know, like too many. If you never reach where you dey go, say you don't pass that road, your mind can never be at peace. You go turn to prayer warrior by force for inside bus or inside car, only you. It's not supposed to be like that. People for their whole country cannot live in peace. Everybody are living in fear. My people, this thing I no just know what to talk. So anyhow, make una let me know what una think for the comment section. Una leave the comment for me down below. Make we dialogue. Thank you so much. And if you've watched this video to this extent and you've not subscribed, come on, hit that subscribe button and support your girl. Thank you so much, and do not forget to share and like this video.